Welcome to your go-to guide for signing into the Zenitel Academy. This walkthrough will take you step by step through the registration and login process, making it easy for you to get started quickly and without any hassle. To begin, open your web browser and go to academy.zenitel.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the option labeled Zenitel Partner Account and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated portal for partners who wish to access the Academy's learning resources. If you're a new user, you'll need to register first. Click on the Register Here button. You'll be redirected to our main website, zenitel.com, where you'll need to complete the Learning Community Program form. This form will ask for some basic details such as your email address, company name, country, business relations, and areas of interest. When selecting your areas of interest, make sure to choose Safety and Security, as this is essential for setting up your partner account properly. Once all required fields are filled in, review your information and click Submit. After submitting the form, your details will be synced across our systems. This process usually takes up to 24 hours. During this time, please wait while your account is being activated behind the scenes to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once the 24-hour period has passed, return to academy.zenitel.com. This time, click on Generate New Password. Enter the same email address you used during registration, and you'll receive a link to create your password. This step is important as it activates your account and allows you to log in for the first time. Now you're ready to sign in. Use your registered email address and the newly created password to log in as an existing user. If everything was completed correctly, and it usually is, you'll now have full access to the Academy. And that's it. You've successfully registered and signed in to the Zenitel Academy using your partner account. Welcome aboard. We're excited to have you on this learning journey with us.